Deep moisturization and skin repair symbiotic solution. Dry skin isn't just a surface issue, it's a sign of compromised barrier function. Without moisture, the skin loses structure, strength, and comfort. From harsh weather and UV exposure to aging and medical conditions, many factors damage the stratum corneum. This increases water loss, causing tightness, flaking, and irritation. While surface-level moisturizers offer temporary relief, deeper repair requires strategic delivery of ingredients that restore hydration from within. Neohidrate by Cymbiotics combines clinically supported ingredients that hydrate, soothe, and reinforce skin resilience. Glycerin draws moisture into the skin. Niacinamide improves barrier strength and refines texture. Sodium hyaluronate deeply hydrates and plumps. Shea butter nourishes and softens. D-panthenol soothes and supports regeneration. Vitamin E enhances skin comfort and smoothness. Arbutin and grape extract promote balanced tone and hydration. Sunflower shoots and terra tree extract protect and restore. To ensure these ingredients reach the layers where they're needed most, Cymbiotics Fast Acting Dermal Delivery (FADD) technology enhances dermal delivery. This innovative system improves dermal flux through carefully engineered formulation elements, ensuring deeper, faster, and more effective moisturization. Neohidrate, distributed by Hexadox, is a science-led solution for dry and compromised skin, redefining comfort and hydration. Stay tuned as we explore more of Cymbiotics Biopharma's formulations.